I tried deep frying them. This is what came out of it. A mess, total. My behind scene catering food prepped from scratch, a birthday party in catering. But before we go into action, let me say welcome to a snapshot scene at a day in my catering business. Now, the first thing I started with is roasted pork. So what I did is go for Ceylon pork, seasoned with salt, pepper, garlic, cumin, corn, and some pork seasoning. Roast for at least 4 hours at 160 to 170 degrees C. Another one we have on our list is side dish, which is bread roll. It is called Servietten noodle. The first one was Schweinebraten. The Servietten noodle will be served with something else. And then here I have sauerkraut. Sauerkraut it's will be served with the roasted pork, which is called Schweinebraten. Yes, on this day I decided to try my best. Some of those videos were just short videos, so I had to turn them into long form just like this, some of them. So here I have my reindeer ragu, which is more like a beef stew. Rinse ragu will be served with the bread roll you saw earlier with some peaches and some other things. So just a little shot of everything here, okay? And then I have a goosey soup. We all know, sorry, we know what this is even before I mention. So there was a lot of food, but I've never made it to cover up my catering behind scene. It was never possible. But this time I was just trying to make some shorts, maybe because of I post more on Facebook now. But at the end of the day, I decided to share with my amazing YouTube members or YouTube lovers. Now again we have dessert. Now this dessert, pardon my voice guys, I just woke up from sleep and it's going to be another busy day for me. So I had to do this very early in the morning. So we have dessert, like a cream dessert, so whipping cream, cheese cream, and then some orange glaze, homemade orange glaze. It's more like a Christmas dessert, flavored dessert, okay? Then just pipe in a glass. I went in with some uh, sweetened canned fruit, some crushed cookies, and again the cream. Just and then you know, just garnish it however you want to have it. There was every other. There was enough dessert. There was. Good morning, guys. So I can actually not tell how this video will come up or when am I starting. But first, let me say good morning. It's another day. I've been catering for a group of people, just small group of people. I don't know how this is going to happen. Like I said, I will just try my best to video the little I can, which is normally not possible. But because I don't have much to do this morning, some of the things have been prepped yesterday. So yes, I'm starting with some potato dumpling. I'm starting with potato dumpling this morning. What I have to do this morning is actually potato dumpling, fried rice, and some fried rice and amos bush, like a potato balls fry, and all the meat, all the protein has to be fried today. So I will not waste my time with video this morning. I'm just trying my best to see what I can catch up with. The little I can film, okay? So like I said, I want to start with potato. I'll still be making some swallow today, which is going to be a little bit tight. The the protein, I will fry them downstairs. Okay, I have a kitchen downstairs. That is where I will fry the proteins. Why I make the fried rice and the swallow and the potato here. This pot is too small for the potato, but I'll just cook them twice, I think. So I hope you enjoyed the little I can share with you. I have to check up on the potato now, on the potato balls. That's the stress here, you know, running down and coming back, running down. It's a big, big stress. So let's see what I can catch up with. Okay, guys, these are one of the disasters that occurs in a day like this. So I made some potato balls. Potato balls, these ones, I wanted to use them for amuse bush. Amuse bush is like a, or amuse girl. So it's like a greetings from the kitchen for your girls, like a surprise greetings. So I made them so small, small balls, okay? I never I never freeze them before. I've never frozen them before. So because of time, I have to freeze them. Now I tried deep frying them. This is what came out of it. A mess, total mess. Now thank God I have a plan B. I hope the plan B works out, okay? So let me put this aside. My time is ticking. This is my plan B. In occasion like this, there are things that that you should just have a plan B. Now this is my plan B. I hope you can see this clearly. So I'm just going to, I will share them, just cut them into two because I actually, uh, I actually planned for about 30 people. It's about 60 to 70 guests. So I planned for 30 people, but this will be enough. I'll just cut. So my main stress here is jumping from one place to the other, jumping from here to kitchen, to downstairs. Now, like a sailor, that is the main work here. If I were to be in a place, it's easier for me to coordinate 2, 3 cooking spots at a time. But in this case, no, I actually don't like to deep fry in this kitchen or anything heavy cook. I just don't like doing it here. So I like to do them in the cellar. So I'm starting with the fried rice right now. Okay, everything is prepped. Everything is prepped. All I need is just, you know, put everything together. The carrots, the liver, everything. So all carrot, well, next I will come in with my bell peppers. Thank you so much for still watching, guys. I truly appreciate. I can't imagine I'm doing this. I'm filming. Never done. Never had that time. I'll just go ahead and drop everything. I like to bring my crumb last. I just love my veg cooked. Has to be out. This is what it looks like. The dumpling. The veggie is well stir fried. So I'll just go in with the fried rice or the cooked rice himself. Stir everything together, and that's it for this. It came out really, really good, guys. I'm gonna show you closely. I'll come close now so you take a look at it. Right, you know there are some food you just make, you're not satisfied. This is like more of my last point, and I'm super satisfied with everything. I swallow. I just have the swallow to make, and then start prepping a little bit, and then start prepping every other thing or putting things together. The next one, I'm done with the fried rice, so it's just behind me here. When it comes to fried rice, you just let it open. The potato dumpling is done. Fried, the fried meats are done. Like every other thing was more like prepped yesterday. When it comes to catering, you can never do everything at that same day. Never. It's a no-no. Like I've never had any busy December like this one. This December was It's such a busy one. And I'm glad this catering came on those day because if it were to be later, it wouldn't have, worked out. It would have been a no-no for me. I wouldn't have been able to do it. But yes, thank God I'm almost having it behind me. Is this water not too much? Too much of talk. So I'm almost having it behind me, and I'm so glad about that. Like this swallow here is not just any swallow, a very good one for that, like potato swallow. At this point, I was tired of talking. I just needed to concentrate and give my 99%. Now, when it comes to catering, I want to give 99%. I want everything to turn out good. If I don't meet up to that target, I am not me. So here I am done, like almost done with the swallow. All I did was just portion it because I need to leave house by 9:30 latest. And on that day, I still had to go and buy fuel. So I had to calculate every minute was very, very important for me. But yes, I met to the time, to my target. The thing here is that I just wanted to cover up the venue with video, film the venue, the outcome, every other thing. So the person I relied on, which is my daughter, didn't have the time to do that because she was everywhere. She was on the hall decorating. She was tired. She didn't sleep because she had night shift on that day. And yes, I just had to pick a random person to do the filming for me at the hall, at the venue. It's a continental and intercontinental catering. So when you say Austrians, they meet up. There's nothing like African time at that point because they are there even before me, guys. No, not before me, but they don't joke with their time. And yes, I had to pick a random person who had to film for me at this point. Just a little she can. She did amazing work. Thank you so much, Mommy Mervin. You are amazing. If not, I wouldn't have had any clay because I needed something like a save a memory here. And the host was just amazing person. Like guys, December was a busy one. The people who is attending the party are in December, any party, some of them have planned for other parties or other stuff to run already again. So that day is been planned for 2 to 3 events or two different things to settle on that day. So you can
Maar ze is aan
imagine
het
how
trainen nu, hè?
stressful that
Ja,
was.
mijn sister.
That is me setting the greeting from the kitchen, which is the ball, the potato balls filled with some
En toen weet je,
meat
Flash is
or
te
like a
trainen.
meatloaf.
Flash kan zo
And
hard.
yes, the
Pak
moment
ik
I
nu.
served them this, before I came back, everybody was outside ready to eat already. Like it was unaware,
Nee, van nou,
the
zeg maar
main
wie.
dish. So we had soup, okay, Austrian soup, European soup. There was white rice and stew and other stuff those days. And I'm glad that everybody was satisfied. Everybody else, everybody, the compliment from the meals was amazing. I was just happy, even if I didn't meet up to my target with the garnishing of the meals. There was a lot of plan, okay? But because of time, there was no time for that. Next time I said I would not do this alone, I would take someone to help me. It's not like I do this alone. My husband is amazing, he's always there for me, but I need someone who can, like a third party or fourth party, it's a stressful one. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly appreciate you. If this is your first time you've watched to this time, my name is Anniekrieger. This is me saying it at the end of it, but I'm sorry about that. Thank you so much. Don't forget to hit the like button, please, guys. Leave your opinion in the comment section, and see you all in my next one. Bye from bye for now. That's me done.